Merry meet magical souls, and welcome back to another magical video. This beautiful ritual is to praise Goddess Nyx, the elements, and the divine, and it's more of like a little prayer than a ritual, guys. It's just acknowledging them for their help and support. So I got each candle burning for each element, guys. I got some good smudging vibes going over here to clear any lower vibration. By earth, by air, by fire, by water, by spirit, in the name of Goddess Nyx, may you all be blessed and rejuvenated, cleansed of all lower vibrations, so mote it be. Sending you guys so much love and happiness, just giving you guys a nice smudge. Since Goddess Nyx is in the corner, without further ado, let's just go ahead and read this out, guys. It'll be in the comment section down below if you guys want to go ahead and read it when you want to. Goddess Nyx, natural and beautiful alike the wondrous element of earth. You who are like our Earth Mother Gaia, supporting and helping us always, thank you Goddess Nyx and the element of earth. Magical element of air, your cold breeze dancing under the moonlight, reminding us of our beloved Goddess Nyx. Your gentle breath reminding us that we may not always see the goddess, but she's always there. I acknowledge and thank you both. Fiery depths of the earth's core, element of fire, Goddess Nyx blessing us with your fiery love and passion running through our veins. Beautiful element that ignites the glow of the goddess, I thank you for your strength and protection. Beautiful element of water, shining so bright, you who cleanse and purify us, what a beautiful gift you are. You give us life, I depend on you, and thank Goddess Nyx for the beautiful blessing that you are. All the divine and all that is, element of spirit, I love you, because of you I commune to Goddess Nyx, God and all the ascended masters. The highest spiritual color you are purple, reminding us who we truly are after we leave our bodies, pure energy, spirit. I love you, God and all the ascended masters. Thank you for it all, so mote it be. That is the little beautiful praise to Goddess Nyx, the elements, and the ascended masters, guys. Definitely, guys, continue to create some beautiful magic today. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on those post notifications down below so you're notified for all of my future content. And like always, guys, by earth, by air, by fire, by water, by spirit, in the name of Goddess Nyx, may you all be blessed and rejuvenated. Blessed be. Merry meet, merry part, and merry meet again, magical souls. Blessed be.